Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVRS. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I don't think I've ever done this one before, but definitely want to get it updated and just analyze here, as quite a few questions came on it, rightfully so. Big volume today, and then just a not so good day. So I'm not trying to rub salt in anyone's wounds or anything like that. But in the world of charts, we would call this, a bearish engulfing candle. And, I'm assuming some sort of bad news, maybe bad earnings out or something, but I do see it's, one of those biotechs, pharma stocks. So not surprising to see this crazy price action like this, but I do want to map out a couple areas of support and resistance heading into next week. And we'll start off with levels of support. And from that perspective, pretty kind of in your face. And it also presents a very interesting, setup for the chart. And that's right down here at 73 cents, which is where the price bounced off of today. Why is 73 cents so interesting? Well, if you go back through the history of the chart and back here to late March, you can see that, lo and behold, right there, the price also bounced from there. So for whatever reason, there are some buyers hanging out right down here around 73 cents where when the price gets down there, they say, yeah, you know what? I think that's a good value. I want to buy. Same thing happened today. Like I said, price got down there, and, whether or not it's the same exact people or group or whatever, you're never going to know that. But people were willing to buy. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that, so therefore guaranteed in the future people are going to continue to want to buy at 73 cents. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that so far people are willing to buy at 73 cents. And, given this is a level of support, perhaps the price is going to find some sort of bottom here and at least get a dead cat bounce, maybe even a bounce that turns into a reversal. But point here being, very interesting area given, when you look back here through the history of things. So again, just to clarify, am I saying that a bounce is guaranteed? I really wish the market was that easy and I could sit here and say that a bounce is guaranteed. Would I be shocked to see some sort of bounce? No, I would not be shocked at all, but that, again, doesn't mean it's a guarantee. Now, what happens if it does bounce? Where are some of these hurdles at? Where are some of these levels of resistance that the bulls would have to fight through? Initial area of resistance be right here at, we'll call that 90 cents. 90 cents, this is just a basic rule in technical analysis, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going through the history of the chart, you can see back here, 90 cents acted as support, and actually yesterday acted as support, but then today when the price broke through it, that would be, that initial hurdle on any sort of bounce. So those are definitely the two key price points going into next week. 73 cents as support, 90 cents as resistance. So we'll see what happens with it, but a whole lot of volume in it today. So it'll be interesting to see how this unfolds on Monday. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.